Can't catch him if you ain't fishing. First cast. Big old blacks. Get the net, Corey. Sheesh. YouTube. Yeah. Ooh, look at that thing. Frank. Bro got house, right? There it is. Wow. The biggest lobe I've ever seen. What's up, YouTube? Ah, turn up. Grab, share, and all that. Nice. Woo, the Bambino! YouTube! Alright, folks, we out here. Y'all might know this location. You might have seen this location before. Saucy secret location, you know what I'm saying? Locals only.
Hey, y'all come to town, we'll bring y'all.
It's your boy 804 Angler out here again, trolling on the RVA with the homies. Ace Boy Angler, 804 Fish Ninja over here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button. Go on, subscribe to the channel. Go hit this 1,000 subs, baby. Make it happen. Let's go. Share the video, like the video, comment on the video. Man, I appreciate everybody, man. I appreciate y'all. Love you guys so much. Trollers, all my trollers out there. Get ready to get up on some action, baby. Stay tuned. Man, how did I not get that though? First cast. Oh, fish on. Fish on, sir. Come on up in here, stop playing. Pickerel. Huh? Action. Blacka-dacka-bo. That mouth is full of teeth. Sir, number 2 in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. What the hell is my beer? Fish on. That's a crappie. Look at that slab, bro. You been killing the slabs today, bro. 804 Fish Ninja, boy. Shark bait. Ooh ha ha. Top 10 Disney movie. Fish of the day so far. Number 77 on the year for my man. 77 bass this year. He counting up. That's what I'm talking about. Count up. Count up. I want a top water fish. Oh, I got a fish on. That's why it's moving like that. That's why it's moving like that. That's why she moving like that. Look at the stripes on this pretty ass fish, bruh. Beautiful, bruh. That's a beautiful fish right there. That is a beautiful fish right there. Solid little pound. Pretty on the stripes. Look at the stripes on that thing. Go ahead back to your mama. Lord have mercy. Uh-oh. Putting in work with the secret creek, bruh. It was a good call, though. Huh? Hell yeah. Let me see what you're working with. Oh my God, bro. Look at the size of this pickerel, bro. Look at the size of this pickerel, bro. And that's a super bright ass bait, bro. Yeah, OG. Yeah. Yeah, Fish Ninja. 804 Fish Ninja. Get them up around them gills. That's what Way of Fishing told me. Get them up around them gills. Bro, look at the face on that. Don't subscribe to the channel. You see my homies out here killing the game, man. You know what I'm saying? On the Secret Creek. That is a monster pickerel. Got them all freehand on them. Look at that joint belly full. Got them all fat. Nice pickerel. Look at the size of that thing, bro.
Bruh, that's solid.
That thing has been eating all day, bro.
There's a fish in there.
That thing been eating all day.
There's a fish in there.
That thing's
that is solid.
Solid, bro. Just finished swallowing a fish.
Look at that.
That's crazy. Nice. High five. Huh. You look like the lower end of the dam. What in the world? Look, I'm trying to get like him. Something. A little something. You know what I'm saying? City boy fishing out here. City boy fishing. City boy fishing. City boy fishing. Yeah. Just peeling along that bank.
Another one.
Back! What is going on? The Fish Ninja.
Watch that one too.
I saw that. Look at that, man. Fish Ninja, bro. 20 damn minutes. Chomping on that. Beautiful fish. 3 strikes in a row. Whoa, I saw that too. I saw that too. Got him? Young one over here. Like that. Solid. Ace boy. Ace boy.
Another one.
Them city boys out here fishing today, baby. Yes, sir. Nice. I seen that. Number 79, my homie getting it. Ooh, that thing won't hardly hook. There you go. Ace board. Ace board.
Welcome to Virginia.
Yes, sir. RVA, baby. Trolling on RVA, boy.
We trying to make a name for ourselves.
We doing the thing. We making some noise.
We doing a little
We
something.
making some noise. Y'all make sure y'all go on subscribe, follow the movement, man. We out here. 804 boys making noise, baby. City boy fishing. City boy fishing. City boy fishing.
There was some trees laying down in front of me. I know. Let me drag this here through there. Yes,
There's a
sir.
nice one too,
Should I get the net?
bro.
Should I get the net?
That's a nice one, bro.
Hold on, let me get the net.
Swimming right at me. Swimming right at me. I don't need on that. Got braid. Bow flip. Woo. 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 I'm gonna need a picture of
That is a
that.
nice one.
Look at the belly on that thing.
Pass that phone.
Look at the belly on that thing. That thing cold, boy.
Let me get a picture of you.
That chatterbait up on that.
That is a nice fish.
It's in his mouth, boy.
Is it?
Thank you, sir.
Is it?
Thank you,
He
sir.
hit that bitch on contact. That's the
Slammed
one
it.
that was over
Straight
there.
slammed it too.
That's the one that was over there.
That's
Fiddling,
solid,
digging.
solid 2 pounds, bro.
Yes. You wanna
Solid
weigh
2. No need. No
it?
need.
Because, you know, we can weigh
We
it.
done had a good day.
Did you?
We done had a good day today, bro.
Man, I need one fish.
We done had a good day today, bro.
Just one more fish. I can leave this
Solid.
place with the biggest smile you've seen all day.
You was lost in the sauce for a second. You was lost in the sauce real quick. Man, we got up on some action today, baby. It's been a good day today. I ain't gonna lie, man. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in again. Another episode of Trolling on the RVA. Man, make sure y'all stay tuned. We doing shit weekly. Giveaways. If you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all my subscribers, all my trollers. Thank y'all so much. Can't catch me if you ain't fishing, baby. Today was a good day. Ice Cube style, baby. We out. You take a break fishing just to get a McChicken. Ooh, McChicken. Yum.